Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Manu. Good morning, everyone. Let's wait for 2-3 minutes for everyone to join.
Sir.
We have 25, 26.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
सबने नाश्ता कर लिया?
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good.
Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to study about economics, right? So basically we will be starting economics, right? So we will talk about some. Give me a minute. Okay. So good morning, everyone. Good morning once again. Let's start today's class. That's the first class of economics, or better to say, it is a first class of financial education, right? Anna. So why this is important? Tell me. First of all, why, right? Why you guys need to study financial education? Tell me. Anyone? Anyone have any idea?
Sir, can I say?
It is also part
So what is this financial education about?
One by one, guys. One by one, right? Or you
It
can
is
just
also a part of education.
again why it is. If I have to tell you, right, what is the most
Sir, can
important
I
thing,
answer?
why we are studying? Tell me.
Sir,
Because
can I
this is
answer?
the only education from where we can learn how the all the money and society works, and it may help us in the future, sir.
Okay, very good. Now, if I
Can I?
Our money is in invest in money.
one by one, guys, one by one, okay, right?
Sir,
Sir,
can I?
can I?
One by one.
Sir, Aditya, sir.
How the economy works.
Okay. Now we will not
Aditya.
very hi-fi or big terms for now, right? Today we will just talk about very basic terms, the terms
Sir,
that we
I
know,
have an answer.
right? And I want I'll mute everyone, right, for now. Please message, right? Please message and unmute only when I ask you to. Okay, right? Now, before talking about any hi-fi terms, let's talk about some very basic terms, right? Very basic terms. Okay. Now, if I ask you, right? If I ask you why we want to become an engineer or doctor, why we want to do a job. Tell me, think about it. Sir, we don't want to do a job, but we have to do a job, right? Because we want to earn money. Anna, right? Now that is a misconception. I'll tell you, right? There are lots of misconception about this, but it is very interesting. Yes, very good, very good. So the obvious answer is, sir, the answer is very obvious: to earn money. Yes or no? To earn money. As simple as that. As simple as that, right? Yes or no? Very simple problems. We'll talk about things that we already know, right? We already see around us. Okay. Okay. Right? Now, second question would be, right? Who pays this? Who pay you money? Who pay you, right? Who pay you for a job? For any job? Tell me. Think about it. Who pays you? Your employer, right? Either the company or the, yes, either the company or the government, right? Yes or no? Right? Very good, Dhruv. Right? So I can say, okay, sir, it is either company or either any company or any government, right? Any company, right? Organization, yes or no? Or government, right? Government is also kind of organization, right? Yes or no? Hi Anna. Very simple, very obvious questions, right? Take care. So the money that you get, the paycheck that you get, that is called your salary. Hi Anna, tell me, yes or no? The paycheck that you get is called your salary. I guess everyone knows, right? Your father, your mother who are working, they get their salary, Anna, right? No, Indu, don't worry. No need to write. Just listen. Right? Today is more of a discussion session. I'll ask you to write whatever is important. Right? Plus, I'll send the notes anyways. You can just see the notes and write it afterwards. Okay? So focus here. Okay? The next question would be, so what is a salary? Right? Like, what is salary? Tell me. What is a salary? What is a salary? Simple. Simple problem. Right? Simple question. What is a salary? Reward, okay? It's not a reward basically, right? Yes, it is. Okay, payment for work, earning for our work, right? So I can say it is basically your paycheck, right? It is the basically the payment that you guys receive, that anyone receive, right? Payment for, tell me, for what? Any service? Yes or no? Service, right? Yes or no? Or your time or your skill? Yes or no? Haan ya na? Tell me. Yes or no? Given by any organization, anything, right? This is also, again, this salary and income are two different things, right? Again, this is the term, salary and income are two different things. Okay, right? Okay. Salary is basically the payment of your service or time or skill, right? By any organization. By any organization. Okay, let's try to understand very basic terms, right? Some jargons we need to understand first. Okay, so I guess all of you understand what is salary, right? Salary is being paid. Hai na? For example, right? I'm working for a company, right? The company is paying me some amount of money every month, right? So that's a regular fixed salary. Hai na? Yes, very good. Right? So everyone should know what is the difference between these terms first. And now, what is income? What is income? Tell me. Everyone, tell me, what is it? What is the difference between income and salary? Tell me, anyone? Yes, exactly. Very good, Aditya. Right? No Bindu, not an increase in payment. So I can give you examples. So income is right. Total money that we get, total money that that we earn, right? By any method, by any method, right? Anna, yes or no? Tell me. By any source. By any source. Source. Right? Yes or no? Right? For example, for a businessman, suppose I'm a businessman, right? So for a businessman, right? He will not have a salary. He will have an income. Yes or no? Tell me. Right? Because he's not working for a company, right? He's not being paid on a regular basis. Hai? Okay. Yes or no? So we will talk about everything, but first let's talk about some term, right? So today we will talk about very basic thing, right? Now suppose, so I guess all of you understood these things, right? These are something that we should know. Okay. Now suppose I'll ask you a very basic problem, right? Very basic problem. Suppose your salary, right? Okay, there's a term called CTC. CTC means cost to company. Cost to company. Okay. Now, suppose you're working with any company, right? Suppose you're working with Apple, Amazon, right? Or Flipkart or JSW, any company, right? Anna, right? And they say, okay, your CTC is 12 lakh per annum. Think about it. 12 lakh per annum. Let us try to, these are very basic examples. These are very basic examples, right? Okay, we will talk about the topic in like different topics, but first I'm just giving an example, right? How economics or how financial education is very important. Now suppose, right, there's one person who's saying, okay, I'll give you CTC of 12 lakhs per annum, and there's a second person who's saying, okay, I'll give you 85,000 per month, right? Okay, now tell me, if you're talking about annum means year, per year, okay, Atish, annum means 1 year, annum means 1 year, okay, annum means 1 year, okay, right? Now, if talk about this 12 lakhs, so what do you think? How much you would get in per 1 month? Per month, how much you will get? Tell me. Think about it. Very basic. Think about it. Everyone is saying, okay, very good, Alia, very good, Nabil, very good, Karthik, right? Easy. Okay, right? So, okay, everyone is saying, okay, sir, per month I should get around 1 lakh. Hi, Anna, tell me, right? But when I'm doing a job, I got seats 12 lakhs. Okay, I'm happy about that, right? But when my salary came, right? When I see my salary slip, when I salary came, the actual money that I received, the actual money that I received is around 80,000. Suppose it is around 80,000. Now tell me what is wrong here, right? Did company cheated me? Tell me, right? Did company cheated me? Did they just reduce my salary? No, right? No. Then what happened? Why I'm getting to 20,000 less? No, daily wages, no, that is the salary, na? Daily wages is not. Yes, exactly, right? There are some deductions, right? There's some called deductions. Deduction means, right, less, right? Some amount is getting deducted, getting removed, and in the form of, tell me, in the form of taxes, and there's something called a PF, which is basically your saving. Okay, yes or no? Tell me, yes or no? Right? Yes. Okay. So again, see, whenever we talk about, yes, whenever we talk about salary, it is not a very simple thing, right? There are lots of things involved. We have taxes, we have other deductions, right? So I guess we should know about taxes. Yes or no? We should know about taxes. But again, today we are not going to discuss about taxes. I'm just giving one example. Okay, right? I'm just giving example where the economics or where the financial situation is required. Okay, right? Okay. So that is one thing, right? Again, right, we will have one separate class on what is PF, what is different saving tools, ticket. I'm just giving you idea, right? How, like, we as a normal person, right, should have some very basic financial education, ticket, right? So this is about salary. Now let us take one more example. Okay, right? Let's take one more example. Right, Aditya, PF and all, I'll explain, don't worry, I'll explain everything. Now suppose, think about it, right? Suppose you have, you get your pocket money, right? You get your pocket money, which is like 500 rupees per month. Okay, think about it. 5, okay. Yes, Shreya, PF is, we will tell what is Provident Fund in detail, okay, don't worry, right? In detail, what is Provident Fund, how it works, everything. We'll study everything. Don't worry, because it is very important for us to know what happens around us, right? How things are working. Okay. Now let us talk about this. Suppose your pocket money is 500 rupees per month, right? Okay. So we have two, right? Two-person. You are two brothers, brother A and brother B. Okay. Right? Brother A and brother B. So I'll just take it as, right, Ram and Shyam. Yes or no? Okay. So what these two brothers will do, right? Think about it. Suppose brother A put this 500, right, per month in piggy bank. In piggy bank. Think about it, right? Think about it. Okay. Now, after 1 month, right? So after 1 month, what will be the amount that he would save? Think what everyone, step by step, easy. After 1 month, right? What would the amount he will save? 500. After 2 months, it's 1,000. After 3 months, 1,500. After 4 months, 2,000. Right? After 1 year, 12 months, so it will be 6,000. Yes or no? Hi Anna. Tell me. Hi Anna. Okay. Why? Because Ram don't know about anything, right? Ram don't have any financial education. He just want to save his money. Okay. Ram doesn't have any financial education. He doesn't know anything, right? Okay. Okay. Now, Sham, what he does, he has some financial education. He knows something. So what he does is he put in something called as FD. I'll discuss what is FD by the way. Okay. Right? Okay, think about it. He put his money in bank, right? Or post office, I hope all of you know what is bank, what is post office, in forms of fixed deposit, right? Recurring fixed deposit. Okay, right? So he also deposited 500 per month. He just deposited 500 per month, but at the end of 1 year, he's getting 6,000, right? So he deposits 6,000, so he will get 6,000 only. But he deposited 6,000. Every month he's depositing same amount, 500, 1,000, right? 1,500, 2,000, and 6,000. But right? At the end of 1 year, he's getting 6,000, suppose 6,450 rupees. He's getting 450 rupees extra, right? Think about it. Okay, yes. Now think about it. My question is, who is giving this extra amount? What is this extra amount? Yes, very good, Drusti. Very good, Brinda. Very good, Bindu. Okay, correct. So here everyone is talking about something called interest, right? Sir, there's a term called interest. Let us talk about more today about this topic. Right, wait, my spelling is wrong. Just give me a minute. Okay. Now, right, interest. Now, I hope all of you know that interest, yes, it is given by the bank, government, any post office, and we will discuss how they are able to give interest, right? No one is giving from their own pocket, yes or no? Is government giving interest from your own pocket? Tell me, right? No, right? It doesn't work like that, yes or no? No one is giving you any money from their own pocket. For example, if someone is, right? So how this interest is generated, we will see, we will discuss. But for now, let's understand what is interest, what are the different type of interest. Anna, so what is the interest? What is interest? Interest is basically the extra amount, right? The extra amount, Anna, right? So I can say, what is the interest, guys? Tell me, what is the interest? Anyone, what is the interest? What's the meaning of interest? Everyone, think about it. What is the meaning of interest? Tell me. So yes, very good. In a very simple term, right? We don't have to use any difficult language. It is basically what? It is the extra amount. The extra amount, right? The extra amount given by any institution or person for lending any money, right? I'll talk about money for now, right? It is actually asset. So let's talk about money, okay? Right? Ayana, any extra amount? Yes, very good, Kartikeya, very good, everyone. Yes or no? Okay, yes or no? Now this is very interesting. We're just starting it. We're just starting the like ABC of economics, right? Okay. Yes, Karthik, very good, Karthik, right? Now, when you talk about interest, do you know how many types of interest there are in general? Generally, I'm not talking about very high-fi things. I'm talking about in general types of interest. Tell me. Tell me. Tell me in general. Two. Yes, very good, everyone. Very good, Rachna. Very good, Rusti. Right? Very good. Right? Yes, very good. There are two type of interest. Very good, everyone. Right? Very good. See, say. So first is something called, there are two type, right? First is something called simple interest, right? है ना, बहुत simple है बेचारा, right? कोई confusion नहीं, बहुत simple है, ठीक है, right? Simple interest, right? बहुत simple है, तुम पैसा तो तुमको calculate करके simple दे देगा, ठीक है? No issues in that, very simple. Now you will see how this is simple. So it is like, sir, interest है, तो interest किस पे देगा? Tell me, interest is given on what? Tell me, some amount ना, हाँ या ना? Even interest is given on some type of amount, right? है ना? Right? Who is googling? People are googling, I guess, right? Don't Google, guys. Think, right? Google में तो सब कुछ मिल जाता है ना? है कि नहीं? So the amount on which the interest is given is called as principal. हाँ या ना? The amount on which the interest is given is called as principal, right? So this is your initial value, right? This is your initial value, right? Or the deposited amount. Deposited amount. Yes or no? Right? Okay? This is a principal, right? Now, second is something, right? Okay, if I'm talking about interest, right? So interest is one thing which you have to learn, right? Which you need to know is how much, भाई कितना, right? कितना interest मिलेगा? So there's something called rate of interest. Rate of interest, right? Rate of interest, है ना? ठीक है, rate of interest. Clear? Means suppose simple, right? I'll just give one very basic example. Suppose you have 10 apples, right? Suppose you have 10 apples. Okay, right? Okay, you brought 10 apples. You brought 10 apples from Toranagalu. Suppose you brought 10 apples from Toranagalu. You are staying in HST, right? Suppose you brought 10 apples or you are staying in Bellary. Okay, think about it. You are staying in Bellary, right? Bellary. You bought 10 apples. Okay. Now what I did was I said, okay, give me 10 apple. Give me 10 apple. Okay, right? After 2 months, 3 months, right? Whatever, sometime after, suppose 1 month, I will return you 11 apples. Okay, 11 apples. Okay, right? Yes, got it. Do not message after once, right? We understood. Okay, right? Okay, everyone. Now, my question is, after 2 months or after 1 month, I returned 11 apples instead of 10. I returned 11 apples. So what is the interest? Tell me, what is the interest?
1 apple.
1 apple, yes or no? So I can say, sir, here interest is 1 apple.
1 apple.
Easy? Easy? Okay? Chalo. Now, there's some percentage, right? There's something called percentage. How many of you know about percentage? Raise your hand. How many of you know about percentage? Anyone? I guess in 6th, 7th, we have studied something called percentage. Haan ya na? Yes. Very good, right? Very good. Hai na?
Yes, sir.
So I can say, sir, it is percent, right? So I can say rate of interest is basically the percent of this principal value. Now, per means divide. Per means divide. Haan ya na? Generally, per means divide. Cent means 100. Cent means 100. So if any number is divided by 100, that is a percent. Okay, percent. Right? Agree? Haan ya na? Ayana, right? Ganashri, I said, if anything is divided, right? Percentage, right? Profit and loss. Okay, these are some things which we will discuss here.
There should be 1.
Yes, percent. Again, I'm just talking about what is percent. Percent means divided by 100. Anything which is divided by 100 is your percent. Now, of what? Of what? For example, right? Suppose I'm talking about this. 1 apple out of 100 apple. 1 apple is interest from 10 apples. Unitary method. 1 apple interest मिला 10 apples पे. Suppose you would have given me 100 apples. Then how many apples you would have gotten extra? Tell me. If you would have given me 100 apples, how many apples you would have given? 10. Very good. 10. Right?
Yes.
So what is the amount, what is the number of apples that you would have gotten, right? Per 100 apples. Tell me. What is the amount of apple that you would have gotten per 100 apples? 10. Yes or no? So I can say, sir, if you multiply this, 100 will get cancelled. It is 10. Ayana, it is 10%. Yes or no? 10%. Clear है? समझ में आया सबको? Anyone?
I didn't understand, sir.
Vanashri, you are getting? Right? Anyone have any doubt?
Sir, I have doubt, sir. I didn't understand.
Yes, what you have doubt? Message?
Sir, we should write this.
No, I'll send. Don't worry. Focus here. Yes, interest on Apple is 10%. Very good, everyone. So again, the rate of interest should be mentioned, right? So I'll just write as R percent, right? Percent means per 100. We will see more problems on this. Okay. Now the last thing is something called time.
Sir, I didn't understood, sir, that percentage concept.
Wait, I'll explain again. Don't worry, right? Let me complete this with one example. We will explain. Okay. Next is time. The time generally should be in years, right? Generally, it can be in months, but it is better to convert in year. Because when you talk about rate of interest, it is also for per year. Kitne saal ke liye. So time is generally in year. Now, think about it. Everyone, let us calculate, right? First, let us understand percentage. Okay, let us understand percentage. Okay. Now, I hope all of you know division. Hi, Anna. All of you know division. Very basic thing.
Sir.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Very-
Yes, sir.
Suppose, okay, wait. Suppose you have a smaller brother, right? You have small brother or sister. Okay. And your parents said, okay, that they gave you basically a biscuit, right? They give you a biscuit. Okay, they gave you a biscuit, right? Suppose they gave you a biscuit. Simple. Okay, right? Okay, समझ लो. And biscuit, packet of biscuit has suppose 10 biscuits. How many biscuits?
10.
10 biscuits. Okay. Now,
Yes,
now,
sir.
you are told that okay, give for every packet of biscuit you have to give 3 biscuits to your brother. For every packet of biscuit you have to give 3 biscuits to your brother. Anna, 3 to your brother. So how many biscuits you will have? Tell me how many biscuits you will have?
7.
Sir, 7.
7, sir.
7.
Very good.
7 we will have, sir.
7 per
Very good. Very good. So
Sir,
if I
7 biscuit for each packet.
if I ask you, what was the total number of biscuits? What was the total number of
10.
10, sir.
So yes, wait. What is the ratio of biscuit that you got? Tell me.
7.
You get 7 out of
70.
no.
7 is to 10.
7 is to
10.
Sir, 7 is to 10 is equal to 7 by 7.
Please message, right? Please message. Okay, because it creates lots of noise, na?
Sir, 70%.
Right?
70%.
70%.
It's very good. First, let's talk about ratio first, right? Ratio. So, sir, it is 3 biscuit out of 10 biscuit. and it is 7 biscuit out of 10 biscuit. Okay, right? Now, next is what is percentage? Percentage. So whenever, this is ratio, whenever you have to convert any ratio into percent, okay, multiply by 100 because it is percent per 100, है ना? So it is what? 2 by 10 into 100. It is 7 by 10 to 100. So tell me, what will be
30%.
30%? What is it?
30%. 70%.
70%.
And my brother's 30%.
Yes, very good. Your brother will get 30 and you will get 70%, right? So I hope all of you understood what is the meaning of percent. Hi, Anna.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good, right? So if I'm having a fraction, any fraction, right? And you have to convert it into percentage. If you have to convert it into percentage.
Into 100.
Tell me, what you need to do?
200.
Into 100.
Sir.
What you have to do?
200.
Yes, into 100. Multiply by
That's
100.
into 100.
Yes, multiply.
Into 100.
Into 100.
Very good. Correct. Very good, everyone. See, so smart, right?
Sir, we have to multiply by 100.
Yes, very good. Okay,
Sir,
chalo.
we have studied this all in 5th standard.
Very good, right? So I'm just revising it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Guys, please be mute, right? Okay. Because I have to explain one thing. After that, we can discuss. Okay. Okay. So let me complete this first. Right? Now, very good. So think about it. So we are talking about simple interest. The heading is simple interest. Simple interest. Okay. Now, the question is, let's try to derive, right? Let's try to derive. Suppose I'm having 10,000 rupees. How many rupees? 10,000 rupees. And I'm told, right? The bank said, okay, I will give you 10% extra, right? If you keep this money for 1 year, Okay, think about it. Very good, right? Think about it. So first of all, what is the extra money that I will get? Tell me, what is the extra money that I will get?
Sir, 1000.
Yes, sir.
Guys, message. I've told you the message, right? Okay, because others cannot listen properly, right? Anna, so I can say, sir, the extra amount is basically 10% of how much? This 10,000. Yes or no? Hi, Anna. Right? Agree? And what is the meaning of off? Off means multiply. Anna, right? And in order to convert percentage into fraction, we know what to do. We know that divide by 100. Divide by 100. Anna. So this can be written as, sir, it is 10 by 100 because it is 10%. 10 by 100 into 1000 because of 1000. Very good, everyone. So it is 1000. Yes or no? Hi, Anna. Very basic. No extra effort, right? Very basic. 1 by 100 into 1000. Rest. Very good. So, sir, I can say, sir, extra amount is equal to 1000. Hi, Anna. Okay? Now, but if I tell you, this is case one. If I tell you, okay, sir, what if I keep this money for 2 years? What if I keep this money for 2 years? Tell me. Then what would be the extra amount?
Sir, 20%.
Well, no, again, right? For 10% for 1 year, again 10% for second year. So 1000 plus 1000, 2000.
2000.
Yes, very good. So in that case, extra amount
2000.
will be what? 1000.
2000.
2000, sir. 2 is equal to 2000. 100, sir.
Okay, clear? So can I say, okay, sir, if I want to find the formula, let us try to find the formula. So I can say,
T into R by 100, sir.
very good, right? So simple interest was what? sir, it was 10%. I'll just write it down. 10 by 100 into 1000. Everyone, step by step. So what was 10? So 10 was the rate of interest. Hi Anna, step by step. 10 was rate of interest into what was 10,000? What was 10,000? So 10,000 was principal value, right? P, principal value, hai na? Yes or no? Principal value, the amount, the initial amount, that is a principal value, right? By 100, yes or no? But here the time was 1 year. But if I'm talking about, tell me, if I'm talking about 2 years, so it was into 2. If I'm talking about T years, so it will be into T. Ayana,
Yes,
yes
sir.
or no? So it is
Yes,
P
sir.
into R into T by 100, right? That is your simple interest.
Sir, that is 7, sir.
Which one?
P into R into 7.
T, it is not T, it is 7.
So can you once again explain?
Yes, I'll explain, don't worry. So I said, sir, if I talk about the basic idea, so the amount, extra amount is what? Right? 10% of 10,000, Hayana.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
10
sir.
was what? 10 was rate of interest. 10 was rate of interest, right? 10,000 was principal amount. So it is R by 100 into P. R into 100 by, sorry, R into P by 100. But it is for 1 year. It is for 1 year. So if I'm talking about 2 years, I have to multiply by 2. If I'm talking about 3 years, I have to multiply by 3. If I'm talking about T years, so I have to multiply by T. T. Samajh mein aaya? Yes or no?
Sir.
Now everyone is got.
Sir, P means percent.
T means time. I'll just write down. Okay, where P is principal. P is
R rate of interest, P principal, T time.
yes. R is rate of interest.
He means time.
Interest
T is time.
per year. This is per year.
Per
Per
annum also, sir.
very good. T is equal to time in year. In year. Everyone got this? Tell me, everyone got this? Yes or no? Raise your hand.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Right? I will show you
Yes,
one
sir.
very interesting thing. Okay? Right? After this class, I'll show you very interesting thing. Okay? Chalo. So shall we solve one very basic problem? Then very basic problem.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let us solve, right? Again, suppose you gave any exam, right? Okay, Aditya, we don't have Kahoot today. Okay, don't worry. Suppose you give a exam, you got a prize of 50,000 rupees, right? This NSO one, right? International level NSO, you will get 50,000 rupees. Okay. So this is your principal amount. Now, what you did was you kept this, keep this in bank. Keep this in bank. Okay, keep this in bank, right? Because now you are in 7th grade, you are seventh class, you keep in this bank, and bank says, okay, I will give you 8% per year return. I'll give you 8% per year interest, right? Here, simple interest. I'll give you 8% per year simple interest, right?
Sir, it will be 4,000 rupees.
Wait. Suppose I ask you, what is the amount you will get after you complete your 12th? After you complete your 12th. So how many years? You have 5 years, right? In 5 years.
5 years.
Sir,
So
it
what
will be 20,000.
again amount? Calculate. What is the amount that you will get? Don't
The
message.
amount of
Don't speak.
the amount
20,000. Sir, 20,000.
Amount is
Guys, please message, right? Please message, okay? Because everyone is solving now. Think about it. Everyone calculate how much. Use formula amount. What is the amount? Wrong. Aditya, wrong. Amount is not very good. Atik, correct. Correct. Indu, wrong. I'm asking about amount. Amount. Okay. Amount is equal to principal value. Okay. Principal value plus simple interest plus interest. Okay. So my amount is principal value plus interest. Tell me, everyone. Tell me. Very good, Indu. Very good, Gadish. So step by step, right? Step by step. Sir, I would like the formula. Simple interest is equal to P into R into T by 100. Very good. Correct. Very good, everyone. Sir, the principal amount is 50,000. We know multiplication. Yes or no? Into. Sir, R is 8%. 8 into time is how many years? Sir, it is 5 years, sir. Divide by 100. Right? Sir, 100 and this will get cancelled. So 5 into 8, 40. 40 into 5, sir, 20. So it is 20,000. Hi, Anna, tell me, yes or no? Sir, simple interest is 20,000. See, your 50,000 will become how much? Right? This is the formula I'm using. Everyone, how many of you understood that it is 20,000 is interest? Anyone have any doubt how 20,000 is interest? Tell me. Anyone got it? Clear, everyone? Anna, everyone is clear? Very good. I'll tell you, Zayan, I'll tell you what we to do if question is in months. Don't worry. Right? I'll explain those things also. Okay? If the question will be in month, right? Same thing will be used. We will see how to do it. Now, see, what was the principal amount? So principal amount was 50,000. Principal amount is 50,000. Very good. Plus interest is 20,000. See, you are getting extra 20,000. So you will get what? You will get 70,000. Yes or no? Hi, Anna. You'll get 70,000. Agree? Okay. Right. Now, the question is what we need to do if question is in month, right? So let us see. Now, before doing that, let us see some terms. I hope this is clear. Now, let us talk about some terms. First of all, what is annum? Annum means 1 year or 12 months. Right? Okay. Then what is meaning by, tell me, half year? I guess all of you know what is half year. Right? It is simple as said half year, which is 6 months. Right? And what is quarter? What is quarter? Quarter means 1/4 year. Quarter is always 1/4, which is 3 months. Yes or no? Anyone have any doubt in this? Tell me, anyone have any doubt in this? I guess ये clear है, तो पता होना चाहिए, पता है ये? Okay. Now, my question is, suppose you have given 18 month, right? Can you convert 18 month into year? Tell me, can you convert 18 month into year? Tell me. Hi, Anna. 18 month into year. No, total year. Let us use unitary method. ठीक है? Right? Let us use unitary method. Sir, 12 month is 1 year. Hi, Anna. 12 month is 1 year. So 1 month is how many years? So 1 month is 1/12 years. Step by step, everyone, step by step. 12 month is 1 year. So 1 month will be 1/12 year. Anyone have any doubt in this? Anyone have any doubt in this? Tanuja, I have to convert everything in year. Okay? Right? So what is 18 month? 18 month will be 18 into 1/12 year. I don't have to use month at all, right? So what is 18/12? 18/12 is equal to what? So divided by 6. So it is 3/2 year. Yes or no? Hi, Anna. 3/2 year. No, we don't worry about leap year, right? We don't worry about leap year or those things there. Okay, don't worry. We don't worry about 1 day. We don't worry about leap year. Okay, right? So it is 3/2 year, 1.5 year. Hi, Anna. or it is 1.5 year. Everyone is able to get it? Everyone is able to get it? Hi, Anna. Step by step. Not 11 by 2, not Tanuja, not 11 by 2. It is 1.5, 3 by 2. Okay? Very good, very good. Now, let us see one more, right? One more thing. Suppose I'm saying that I will give you 4% per quarter. What's the meaning of this? Tell me, what's the meaning of this message? If I'm saying 4% per quarter, 4% per quarter, what is the meaning of this? Yes, very good. 4% per quarter means, sir, it is 4% for 3 months. For 3 months. Hi, Anna. Agree. Tell me. Yes or no? Right? 4% for 3 months. Agree? Anyone have any doubt? Right? Anyone have any doubt? So tell me, what would be the rate? What will be the rate per year? Per year. Tell me. Per year means 12 months. है ना? Tell me, everyone. Very good. Very good, Vihan. Very good. Very good, Alia. Very good, Atiksh. Correct. Easy है. सबको समझ में आ रहा है? Tell me. Yes or no? Right? Very good. Very good. So it is what, sir? 4% for 3 years. So it is 4 into 4, which is 16% for 12 years. Sorry, for 12 months. Hi, Anna. Hi, Anna. Dhanashree, everyone is getting this? Everyone is getting this? Right? These are called as commercial math. Right? Okay. ठीक है, चलो, very good. Now let us see one more concept check problem. ठीक है? Then I will show you one very interesting thing. Right? Okay? Bindu, see Bindu. Right? तुमको suppose I'll give you 4 apples. 4 apples. Right? Or not 4 apples. I'll just give you this. If I'll give you 4 suppose balls, right? Or just remove balls. I'll give you some interesting thing. Okay. If I tell that I'll give you 4 teddy bears, right? 4 teddy bears in every 3 months. In every 3 months. So tell me, after 12 months, how many teddy bears you will have? Tell me, Bindu. If I'm saying that I'll give you 4 teddy bears after every 3 months, then how many teddy bears you will have after 12 months? Tell me, Bindu, Dhanashree, everyone. Pranil, easy. 16, na? 16 teddy bears, yes or no? 16 teddy, right? We're just multiplying this by 4, है ना? That's what we are doing. ठीक है? Clear है? Very good. So in the same way, we are doing the same thing, na? 4% for 3 months. So for, right, 12 months, we are just multiplying by 4. ठीक है? So it is 16 teddy in 12 months. ठीक है? Anyone have any doubt in this? Anyone have any doubt in this? Right, let us understand interest first, then we'll talk about lots of things. So let us solve one problem, one concept check. Okay. So let us see one concept check. Concept check 2. Now the question is, right? Suppose you are depositing 10,000 rupees, right? Principal amount is 10,000 rupees. Rate of interest is given as 6% per half year. Okay, 6% per half year, and time is given as, right? Suppose 18 months. Find simple interest. Find simple interest. Tell me, everyone, find it. Think about it, everyone, step by step. Take your time. Take your time. Very good, Indu. This one, try solving this one. Everyone will solve and let me know the answer in the chat box, step by step. Okay, Bindu? Simple interest, Atish. I'm talking about simple interest. Simple interest, everyone, simple interest. I'm not talking about the amount. Everyone, always write with, right? Always start with the basic formula. Sir, simple interest is what? So simple interest is given by P into R into T by 100. Better to convert this in year, right? So it is 6,000 per year. So per half year. So per year it will be 12,000. Sorry, 12%, sorry, per year. Yes or no? 12% per year, yes or no? Agree? 6% for half year, 6% for 6 months, so 12% for 12 months. And time is equal to what? 18 months, which is 18 by 12 year, which is equal to 3 by 2 year. Anyone have any doubt on this? Tell me. We have done this. We have done this before. That's why I'm just writing directly. Hi, Anna. Hi, Anna. Everyone is getting this? Right, Priya? Right, Krishna? Both are Priyas, right? Okay. Anyone is Bindu clear? Right? Yes. Very good. Okay. Chalo. Very good. So can I put the value? Can I put the value? Let us put the value. Sir, principal amount was 10,000 into. What is the rate of interest? Sir, I have to put 12 over here because it is for 1 year. Enough. Then time. So time is 3 by 2. 3 by 2. Right? Into 2. Clear hai? Anyone have any doubt in this? Hi, Anna. Samjho. Ek step. Everyone. Very good, Bindu. Correct. Now, can you solve it? Can you solve it? Tell me, sir, this will get cancelled how many times? So 6 times. This. So it is what? 6 into 3, 1800. So this is the interest, right? Simple interest is 1800. And most of you were correct. Easy, right? Easy. Okay, chalo. So before studying compound interest, because compound interest will take time, okay? So today we will talk about simple interest only, but I'll show you a very interesting thing on compound interest. Now, do you know compound interest is basically called as wonder in economics? It is like, you know, 8th wonder, right? So compound interest is basically 8th wonder. Okay? Now ask me why. Ask me why. Right? Now think about it. Right? Suppose you keep 1 lakh rupees. Right? Suppose you keep 1 lakh rupee in your bank. Suppose if you keep 1 lakh rupee in a bank and you will get 10% interest per year. Okay. Then tell me after this is fun. Wait, I'll just show you separately. Okay. I'll just show you this concept check 3. Check 3. Okay. Now, so the principal amount I'm saying is 1 lakh. I hope what you know what is 1 lakh. Okay. 1 lakh. Rate of interest I'm saying as 10%. I'm 10%. And time I'm saying as 25 years. This is per year, per annum. And this is 25 years. Now tell me, if I'm talking about simple interest, what would be the simple interest? Tell me, everyone. Calculate. What would be the simple interest? Everyone, please try to calculate. See how big the number would be. Everyone, try to calculate. I hope all of you calculated. Guys, tell me what is the answer. I didn't get answer from anyone till now. Solve. Priya, Bindu, everyone, solve. Jia, Ganashri, Bihan, Sandhya, Gautam, Shreya, Tejaswini, Mridul, Ojas, Alia, Zayan, Ananya, Dheeraj, Gagan, Aditya, Dusti, everyone. Calculate and tell me what's the answer. Tell me what's the answer. Into R is 10, into this is 25 by 100. Tell me. I guess all of you can calculate, na? 25 into this. And we have 4 zeros. Easy. Easy. So tell me, it is what? 2,50,000. Yes or no? 1 lakh will become 2,50,000. Agree? Right? Very good. Some of you are messaging. Hi, Anna. Anyone have any doubt in this? Tell me. Anyone have any doubt in this? Clear? So I can say, wait, my laptop is hanging. Okay. So this is a simple interest. So what is the amount? What will be the amount? Tell me, what will be the amount? So amount will be 1 lakh plus 2,50,000, right? Which is equal to 3,50,000. Yes or no? Tell me. Hi, Anna. Right? So your money will become 2.5 times, right? And 3.5 times actually. But this is simple interest. Do you want to see if this would have a compound interest, if this money would have deposited to someone who will give compound interest, what would be the amount? Tell me. Do you want to know? Tell me, what do you think? Any guesses? Any guesses? What it will be? It will be more than, less than? Tell me. Message, everyone. Think. I'll show you how it would be. This is the last example. So let us say, right? Everyone can see this. Everyone can see the screen. Hi, Anna. I guess everyone can see the screen. So I'm saying that amount is 1 lakh, right? Let us make it as 1 lakh. Anna, let us make it as 1 lakh, right? So this is 1 lakh. Okay. And rate of interest is 10%. Anna, so make it as 10%. Okay. And time was how many years? Tell me, time was how many years? 25, है ना? So this is compound. Yes, 25 years. So this is compound interest calculator. Now think about it, right? Think about how much money you are getting. See how much money you are getting, right? Tell me, how much money you are getting? You have given 1 lakh and you are getting around how much? See, around 11 lakh, yes or no? Right? That is the beauty of compound interest. That is the beauty of compound interest that we'll see in next class. Next class, we will talk about compound interest only. Okay? That is why compound interest is called as 8th wonder. Okay? It is around 11 lakh. Okay? Now, do you know why I'm teaching this? Because think about it. What happened was when I was at your age, right? I was at your age. I got around 10,000 rupees from somewhere. Okay, right? And I put it into some post office or some bank, right? Okay. No, method is not same, Karthik. That's the difference. It is a compound interest, right? This is a compound interest. Okay, right? That will study next class. This is compound interest, right? In simple interest, it was given, right? Estimated return means this is your interest. This is a compound interest. This is a compound interest, and this is your total amount. This is amount, and this is your principal. Okay, समझ में आया, right? So I will give you one example. Okay, think about it. Suppose your salary is, why I'm teaching you guys, because I was not aware. Okay, now suppose some of you started saving some money, right? Suppose, okay, you're around, suppose your age is around, suppose you started when you are 15-year-old, right? Suppose you started putting 1,000 per month, 1,000 per month, you are saving 1,000 per month, right? When you are 15-year-old, okay, suppose, okay, right? Right? Yes, teenager, 1,000 per year. Sorry, 1,000 per month. And you are depositing it till you are 40 years. Till you are only 1,000 per month, right? Suppose, okay. Do you know how much amount you would have gotten, right? You can calculate how many years. So it is 35 years, है ना? 35 years, right? Sorry, 25 years. It is 25 years, na? Right? And per month you are depositing 1,000 rupees. For per year you will deposit how many? 1,000, 12,000 rupees. Yes or no? Agree? So 12,000 into 25 will become what? Calculate, guys. 12,000 into, tell me, 12,000 into 25 will become what? I guess all of you can calculate. 12,000 20, tell me, it will become 3 lakh, no? 3 lakh. No, 12 into 25, it will become, see, 4 into 25, 4 into 25 is 100. So it will become 3 lakh. Right? Now, this is the amount that you would say that you will deposit. This is your principal. This is your principal. Yes or no? Do you have any idea that how much money you will get in return? Tell me. Do you have any idea how much money you will get in return? Do you want to know? Do you want to know? Right? Let us see. Let us see. So this is your SIP, right? This is monthly. So I'm saying monthly you are depositing how much? Monthly you're depositing 1,000. Right? Monthly you're depositing 1,000, right? Expected rate of return is 10%. See how much you are getting for 25 years. See how much you will be getting. You are depositing 3 lakh and you will be getting 13 lakh plus. Can you imagine? Right? So this is basically the knowledge, right? This is the information. Why I'm saying this? Because we don't know, right? We don't know how to save money, right? How things actually compound interest is, that's why compound interest is your eighth wonder. Okay? When people say, nah, this much will happen, this much will happen. It is very basic, simple calculation. It is no magic, no nothing this, right? But again, right, you have to be consistent. Okay? Right? For example, I'll give you one example. So suppose you started earning at the age of, I want to become a Karupati, by the way, right? Suppose I want to become a Karupati. Right? Okay. Do you think that it is actually very easy to become a Karupati? Tell me. No. Right? So let us suppose I deposit 50,000 rupees per month. Suppose I deposit 50,000 rupees per month. I save, by somehow save 50,000 rupees per month, right? And I started depositing from 25 years, right? When I'm 25 years, I started depositing this per month. Okay? And I'm depositing till I am 45 years. I want to become Karupati, right? Till I'm 45 years. Okay? So how many years should I deposit? It is 20 years, hai, for 20 years. Now let us see if I can become a Karupati or not, right? Let us see. So monthly I'm depositing how much? 50,000, right? For 20 years. Think, am I Karupati? Tell me. See how much amount it is. It is 3 crore 82 lakh 84,000. I'm a Karupati, right? I will, sorry, not I am, but if I do this, I will become Karupati. But the thing is, who will give me this return? Who will give me this return? Now, this is something that we need to study, right? No one is giving you 10% easily, right? But 10% is very easy to get. Honestly speaking, 10% is very easy to get if you are very smart, if you are educated. Okay, right? I'm just talking about very, very basic, which is very easy to get. Even government, in some cases, government also give 10%, right? Okay, now they are giving 8%, 5%, right, like that, but 10% very, very easy to get. Okay, right? Now think about it. Suppose I become a big person, right? And I started depositing like 80,000 per month, right? Let us see how much money I will have. See how much money I will have. 6 crores. Forget about this. Suppose I'm working for 50 years, right? Suppose I work for 50 years. Think about it. Okay, I'm working for 50 years, right? So I can say, sir, if I'm working for 50 years, so I will have 25 है ना. अब बताओ, I'm just increasing this by 5 years, just 5 years. Think about it. I'm increasing the time just by 5 years. Do you know how much this amount will increase? Any idea? Will it become 7 crore or 8 crore or 10 crore? Tell me, anyone. 7, 8 or 10? Message, 7, 8 or 10? 8, 10, 8, okay, 8. Do you want to see how much it will become? Tell me. Right, let us see. So I increase this by 5 years. See, it became more than 10 crores. Right? So don't you think that this is actually interesting? Right? Anna? Because it is all about knowledge. I'll be very frank. It is all about knowledge. This is no scam, nothing. It is all about information because no one is paying you for free. Anna? No one is paying you for free. For example, right? Suppose someone teaches you, someone teach you something. Obviously, they are sharing the skills now, right? Right? They are giving time. That's why earning money is not for free. No one gives you money for free. That is why financial education is very important. Okay? Right? Karthik, next class, stay tuned. Next class, we will discuss whole class on compound interest. Okay? Because compound interest will take time. It will take whole one class. But I hope all of you understood what is simple interest, right? And how compound interest is very interesting, right? It is 8 wonder. Okay? Okay? Right? Okay, I hope all of you enjoyed today's class. Yes or no? Right? Okay, very good. Chalo. Okay, bye everyone. Take care. Bye bye. Yes, yes. Bye everyone. Take care. Bye bye.